What is vodka? Vodka is a clear, colorless, and tasteless, non-flavored alcoholic beverage. The word in Russian means water. It is the most popular alcohol among social drinkers. The chemical formula for vodka is CH3CH2OH. It is also the same as ethanol. So what happens after you drink your vodka and it works into your bloodstream? Well, the most noticeable trait of vodka is being a depressant. Alcohol is not only a depressant, but also an indirect stimulant. Alcohol directly affects brain chemistry by altering levels of neurotransmitters, which is the chemical messengers that transmit the signals throughout the body that control thought processes, behavior, and emotion. What this means for you is that your thought, speech, and movements are slowed down. And the more you drink, the more these effects you'll feel. Hence the stumbling around, falling over chairs, and other clumsy things drunk people do. Vodka is also the increaser in the reward center, your dopamine levels in your brain. Well, the alcohol tricks you into thinking that it's actually making you feel great. The effect is that you keep drinking to get more dopamine release, but at the same time, you're altering other brain chemicals that are enhancing feelings of depression. Be careful to drink too much because these things can be affected. Your heart, high blood pressure, stroke, and irregular heartbeat, your liver, fibrosis, cirrhosis, and alcoholic hepatitis, and cancer, throat, liver, breast.
Dangers of Red Bull and Vodka Part 2. Red Bull gives you wings. The popular energy drink claims to enhance performance by boosting metabolism, promoting weight loss, and increase concentration, reaction speed, and endurance. Active ingredients in Red Bull are sugar, taurine, and caffeine. With 27 grams of sugar, a can of Red Bull can substantially raise your glucose level. Excess sucrose and glucose help protect the muscle's intermediate reserve of glycogen, allowing for long-lasting energy. Caffeine stimulates the central and cardiovascular systems by blocking adenosine receptors, which usually help keep the cells from becoming too excited. Caffeine enhances alertness and aids in fat burning. Taurine is a derivative of the amino acid cysteine. Although taurine is often referred to as an amino acid, it is missing the carboxyl group that most amino acids are known for. It is more accurately classified as a sulfonic acid. Significant amount of taurine can help improve skeletal muscles, cardiovascular function, and central nervous system function. There is not enough taurine in a can of Red Bull to have a positive effect on your health, though. Some countries have banned the sale of Red Bull because the unknown effects on the nervous system. Overconsumption of caffeine has led to death in preteens and adolescents, and there hasn't been enough studies done to prove the safety of taurine consumption. Some countries require warning labels limiting the amount of Red Bull that should be consumed a day. Health risks associated with Red Bull include insomnia, tremors, seizures, palpitations, nausea, vomiting, chest pain, and irritability. Warning: Red Bull should only be consumed in moderation. People with heart complications, pregnant women, and children should not drink Red Bull because it may cause death.
I'm Latasha Harrison, and I'm talking to you about the dangers of mixing Red Bull and vodka. You're sending mixed messages to your nervous system, which could cause cardiac problems, such as irregular heartbeat and also a spike in blood pressure. Energy drinks mask the effects of alcohol. Alcohol decreases brain function in the prefrontal cortex and temporal cortex. If you can't remember what you did the night before, you can attribute that to reduced function of the temporal cortex, which holds the memory consolidating hippocampus. The goal for most people who drink energy drinks without alcohol is to reduce these effects. You can also become what researchers call wide awake drunk. Essentially, this means the individual have the same blood alcohol content as they would have without drinking an energy drink. However, the stimulants creates a more sobering effect. You underestimate how you're feeling and end up drinking more alcohol than usual without noticing it's still affecting you. You can forget that you're drunk, which can result in overconfidence, which is you feeling as if you're not drunk and capable of operating a vehicle, having machinery, etc. A recent study found that of those who consume both energy drinks and alcohol were more likely to get behind the wheel of a vehicle than those who just consumed alcohol alone. Alcohol and energy drinks cause severe dehydration. Alcohol makes people dehydrated, which is one of the reasons why people have hangovers. And the caffeine in the energy drink is a diuretic, which also causes people to lose water. So it makes the effects of dehydration worse. When the normal water content of your body is reduced, it upsets the balance of minerals in your body, which affects the way it functions, which will cause vomiting and diarrhea.